The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a lot of stress for people, which in turn is affecting their mental health. Folks are having to worry about the concerns related to the virus, financial hardships they're facing, and the way schools are now set up. Rochelle Bart, clinical manager at Siouxland Mental Health Center, says having good mental health is always very important because it's a part of who we are and connects with the physical and spiritual well-being.
That's a way for us to keep ourselves balanced. During this pandemic, all of that has been very challenged. We've been put into situations that are ever changing. We never really know from day to day what our routine may look like. And even when we seem to get that down, it changes at the drop of a hat.
Positive mental health is beneficial for children because they know less about the situation the pandemic has created than adults do. Lisa Bai, a therapist at Heartland Counseling Services, says parents should take some extra time to spend with their kids to make sure they feel safe and secure.
Allowing the kids to express themselves freely and express some of their fears and concerns, and allowing your children to do that will allow them a release of their own stresses.
According to the CDC, mental health affects how we think, act, and feel, as well as how to handle stress and relating to other people. Some ways folks can have positive mental health is by keeping active, such as doing an outdoor activity like walking or biking.
Also then just staying connected with our friends and family, those people that we find to be supportive of us and that are important to us in our life. So we can do that if we can't get together, doing things like FaceTime, phone calls, even doing some letter writing, those types of things can be really helpful.
The CDC adds coping with stress in a healthy way will not only make you stronger, but also the people you care about. Bai mentions the best time for someone to reach out for help with their mental health is before it gets to a situation that's a crisis.
It is important before you get to a point of crisis that you are reaching out for help, whether it is with a family member, whether it's a professional, your church, to reach out before that point so that we don't get to those crisis situations.
Heartland Counseling Services will be hosting its annual Mental Health Awareness Walk and Fair on Saturday from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. at the Sioux City Riverfront. Riley Mahon, KCAU-9 Digital.